One of the best way to accelerate your hair growth is by implementing herbal treatment to your hair journey. And this can be overemphasized. Hair herbal treatment is one of the best way to help your hair grow faster. And today I want you to come with me as I'm going to show you how I will be mixing my hair gloss. So I have mixed my herbal treatment a night before. Now I'm going to add few table large spoon to my herbal treatment. So I'm just gonna mix it together. This is a hair gloss, just in case you are not used to it. Then after that I will go ahead and apply few drops of my hair growth oil to the mask. Then I will go ahead to apply few drop of lemongrass essential oil. Then after that I will apply few rosemary drop essential oil. Lemongrass is amazing essential oil for hair growth, likewise rosemary essential oil. And the best ways to use these essential oils is to mix it with other carrier oils, or while doing a herbal treatment you can also add few drop to your herbal treatment. Then after that I'm just going to mix my hair mask together because I don't want any clumps in my hair mask. So while mixing it, your mask should be like this. Then it's ready. After that I'm going to take my fabric towel and my plastic cap out of my hair. I did prep my hair a night before, and the reason why I prepped my hair a night before is that I wasn't going to be able to shampoo my hair that very day, so I just went ahead and put on my plastic cap. Then I went to bed. The next day what I did, I went ahead, shampooed my hair. Make sure to add some hand gloves on your hand while applying the hair mask because it's gonna be really messy. At this point I'm just gonna grab some sections of my hair. Then I will go ahead to start applying from somewhere like my roots. Then I will working down to the ends of my hair. It just depends. Sometimes I do start from the ends of my hair, and sometimes I just apply in between the ends and the roots of my hair, as you can see me doing here. And while applying the hair mask, the hair gloss, you want to be very gentle because I am killing two birds with one stone right now. Because the reason why I went for the gloss is that I didn't want to shampoo my hair. Then I will go ahead to apply the herbal hair mask. Then I will wait for 40 to 45 minutes. I will rinse it out. Then I will go ahead and apply my hair mask. I didn't want to do it that way. I just wanted to speed the process a little bit up, but also achieving the same result at the same time. So this is why I says that I am killing two birds with one stone. And the best way for you to really also implement herbal treatment or introduce your hair into herbal treatment is to start using hair gloss, especially if you are someone that is not used to using herbal treatment. You might be a little bit overwhelmed because it's a lot of process on your wash day, because you will prep your hair first, you will go ahead and shampoo your hair, you will apply your herbal treatment hair mask, then you will rinse it out before using your hair conditioner, then you will rinse the hair conditioner out before styling your hair. You can see it's a lot of process, but if you want to cut it down, you can just go ahead and use hair gloss, which is you mixing your hair mask a day before for the hair mask to really like loosen all the nutrient in the mask, then you will apply your conditioner or hair mask to the Herbal hair mask the following day before using it. So this is exactly what I'm doing right now. Like, I have missed my Herbal treatment a night before, then I went ahead after I've shampooed my hair the following day. I added my hair mask. Now I'm just applying it to my hair, and the best part of it is that my hair is gonna also benefit from the conditioner and the Herbal treatment, because it's gonna like help my hair to be strengthening, and this is gonna also help my hair to like to have more volume in time to come. And I'm going to talk to you guys a little bit of Herbal treatment. Herbal treatment is one of the best way if you are someone like me that is trying to like achieve length, like to retain length. You want to start using Herbal treatment. Like, trust me, especially if you have fine hair like me. My hair used to be very fine in the past, but since I started using Herbal treatment, I can see that my hair is more fuller, my hair is more heavier. I am able like to retain length in less than few years. Not just that, you want to also like eat well. I mean, like, choose a good diet, and you want to also take supplement, which is what I do. So even though you are using a hair mask, there are a few other things that your body might be lacking, like minerals, vitamin, collagen, amino acid, and so on and so forth. The reason why I am like really touching this topic is that these are the things that have really helped my hair to grow. I know some of you guys are very surprised the way my hair has grown this fast. Is because I am really like intentional with my diet, and I also take supplement. They are 100% natural, GMO free, and these are also helping me to like boost my body, my immune system, of some of the vitamin that my body need. And guys, I cannot like stress this enough. Like, vitamins are very important for your hair. Trust me, vitamins are very important for your hair. They help your scalp to build to regenerate themselves, and to also help your body to build more collagen. And collagen is very important for hair growth, just in case you don't know, and biotin as well. But even while doing so, if you also add like Herbal treatment to your hair journey, it's a double bonus for your hair. Your hair is gonna thank you, because your hair will be more fuller, it will be much healthier, and it's gonna be less prone to breakage, because the more strengthening your hair is, the less breakage you're gonna experience. And this is why I love Herbal treatment, because they do help to strengthen your hair. And while your hair is strengthened, that means your hair is more stronger. It's gonna be less breakage, okay? You're gonna experience less breakage. And since I've been really like using Herbal treatment, my supplement, and eating good diets, I experience less breakage, okay? Even while I am a little bit stressed out, in my wash days, I still experience less breakage, because at least I am able like to get all the nutrient from likewise the herbs, my supplement, and the things I'm doing. So I do a lot of stuff. Like, I don't comb my hair that often. If you know me, even while I'm doing this hair, I haven't combed my hair for like few months, but I'm still able like to handle my hair very well, to reduce excessive hair breakage. So there is part 2 to this video, me applying the hair mask. I will be uploading the part 2 for you as well. Do stay tuned. So this is just the part 1, me explaining how I am mixing up the gloss, applying it on my hair, but I will also bring the part 2 and what I will be doing with my hair after the part 2. Okay, thank you very much for watching and see you soon.